forward towards you and ask you to meet them, because they can't stay away for any longer. They are missing you so badly. They do understand that you do care for them. There is a lot of love. It's just that right now both of you are keeping your cup of love, or probably let's say your emotions, to yourself rather than but here comes the Nine of Wands. I do see that this person out of impulse anytime can reach out to you. The only problem is that when they are going to reach out to you, you have to make sure that they. And welcome back to my channel. This is Neha Tankha. You guys also know me as Luna the Moon Tarot. Let's see what are the current thoughts and feelings of your person towards you right now, whether in a separation situation, in a no contact situation, whether going through conflicts right now, troubled relationship right now. This particular reading is going to resonate with you. Even if you are crushing on someone, this particular reading will resonate to majority of you. Let's see. Even if there's a third party, we'll cover it up too to see. Now you already know the drill. Take 3 deep breaths and hit the like button to connect with my energies, and comment I claim in the comment section. And let's see what are the current thoughts and feelings of your person. There's one card that flew out. Okay, we have Hierophant here. Something tells me in this particular situation or in this particular connection, the Hierophant over here, somebody is definitely guiding you, or one person out of both of you is looking for stability, is looking for a proper deep connection, is looking for a commitment in this particular situation. Somebody seems to be playing a very big role in this particular connection. Either your person is somebody who's quite traditional, or there is somebody in your connection who is meddling around by either guiding you or guiding them. There seems to be a father figure maybe, or there seems to be a commitment which is playing a very big role. There is sudden clarity, there is sudden awakening that has happened, and all of a sudden either you or your person has been asking you for a commitment, or you are asking your person for a commitment. There is a communication that is coming up, maybe the communication around stability of a connection, because you really don't know where your connection is headed towards. What exactly is this person looking forward for in this particular connection right now that is bothering you, and you want to step up, you want to actually have a conversation with your person, asking them what exactly is it that you are looking forward for. With the 10 of Pentacles, I feel that even if it's not relationship, even if it's not for marriage commitment, I do see that you are questioning yourself, you're questioning your person. It could have been little longer that you have been in this particular connection or exploring this particular connection, but right now you are seeking clarity around commitment, around this particular connection, as to where it is heading towards. It may not be a marriage commitment, it may be a marriage commitment, but clarity is what you are looking at. You're looking at security, you're looking at stability, and you're looking for long term. Even if you guys are exploring, you still need clarity, is what I am hearing right now. Either you or your person is somebody who is from a well-to-do background or earning well, one of you. But I do see that there can be a lot of fears and phobias around this particular connection. There can be a third party involvement as well in this connection. I do see that either you or your person is quite worried as to when when you approach them for clarity, they became very worried. They have a lot of fears, they have a lot of phobias, and they really don't know what needs to be done here. You're looking for a new beginning, they are also looking for a new beginning, but there seems to be a third party. For few of you, it is not going to resonate with all of you, but for few of you, there seems to be a third party involved in this particular situation, in this particular connection, because of which things are stagnant. For people who are in a third party situation, or who are married and looking out, maybe involved with someone else outside marriage, I still see that this can be your situation as well. And there are a lot of fears and phobias. The person wants to take a step forward towards you, they do care about you, they do worry about you, they do nurture this connection, they are very emotional for you, there is a lot of love, but there are also fears, there are also phobias in this particular situationship. Okay, now like I said, There can be a lady figure as well, influence as well in this particular connection. It seems like either you have made your stance very clear, you know what you want, and that is what you have told your person as well, that this is what I'm looking forward for. If it's not that, then you're not up for anything in this particular connection. At least you deserve to get some sort of clarity over here. You know what you want and you have kept it in front. You are very clear, you're very clear as to what exactly you're looking for or you expect out of this particular relationship. Now what I see in this particular situation, in this particular connection, that this person definitely wants to come up, wants to step up, wants to gear up. They do miss you, they think of you as somebody who's a very important part of their life. With the Six of Cups, I do feel that they have and they are very much emotionally entangled in love with you. They want to share life with you, but at the same point of time, I do see that somewhere down the line with the Six of Cups, in case if you guys have been talking very less or there has been no contact situation as well in this particular connection, I do see that somewhere down the line, they want to come back, they want to speak to you, they want to give you that clarity. But until unless they don't have that clarity in their heart, okay, they will not speak up, they will not step up. They want to have a new beginning, but they there are some fears, some phobias, some blockages, some delays which are stopping them to come forward. But here comes Three of Cups, and I would say with the Six of Cups as well, I do see that this person is missing you so badly that they want to come forward, they want to call you, they want to message to you. And I would not be surprised if in upcoming 3 days to 3 weeks you receive a call, you receive a surprise message. All of a sudden it is going to pop out of the blue that this person is calling you and is asking you to meet, is asking you to catch up with them. Okay, and I do see that somewhere down the line this is going to happen because this person is missing you immensely. They may not be taking the action right now because they are in a flux right now. They are thinking of things, they are thinking the direction, they are thinking which direction they need to take this particular connection towards. But with the Chariot, I do see that soon they will be coming out of that limbo and they will be coming forward with some kind of clarity. Now what clarity it will be, it will be towards you, because I see emotions are very much connected and inclined towards you. They may have ghosted you right now, they may be giving you a cold shoulder right now, but it is not very far when they actually come forward towards you and ask you to meet them, because they can't stay away for any longer. They are missing you so badly. They may have blocked you, they may have pushed you away, but it is not forever. It is not forever. Okay, they do understand that you do care for them, there is a lot of love. It's just that right now both of you are keeping your cup of love, or probably let's say your emotions, to yourself, rather than sharing it with each other, rather than expressing it to each other. But here comes the Nine of Wands. I do see that this person out of impulse anytime can reach out to you. The only problem is that when they are going to reach out to you, you have to make sure that there is no fight or any kind of discussion around negative stuff or things happen if you really want this connection. Because I do see the Knight of Swords over here somewhere down the line tells me that in that there can be some impulsive word exchange or impulsive things that impulsive um, let's say exchange of words can happen that may not go down really well. You guys can get into an argument. So in case if anything of that sort happens, just make sure that you do not engage and you refuse the situation then and there. That's a word of advice and that's a warning. Because I do see with the Hermit card, they are doing a lot of self introspection, they are doing a lot of self research introspection. They have been stalking you, they have been looking out for you, they have been thinking about you. So I feel that somewhere down the line that transformation is coming within them. Okay, you are not forcing that transformation. They are realizing where they lag, where is their fault, what they have done in this particular connection, and what now they can do differently to make this particular connection work in your favor, in their favor, in your favor, and in the favor of this connection. So hence they are taking time right now to heal themselves, to heal this particular connection. They're trying to be patient, and with due course of time, with divine timing, they are going to step up. Because I do see with the Star card, the hope is still alive. Okay, the hope is still alive, and they do see you as a very powerful somebody. They see you as somebody who brings a lot of hope and faith in their life, and because of you they have started trusting in love again. They have started trusting in relationships again. But right now, because of this no contact situation, I do see that there are a lot of realizations which are hitting them hard and making them feel lonely as to how they have behaved and why did they move and why did they just behave. They could have handled things in a better way, and they behave very immaturely in this particular connection. They should reach out to you, and they should at least make an effort and make this connection work from their end, and try and put in efforts, because at the end of the day, you guys are meant to be. You guys are divinely protected. You guys are meant to be. It's a twin flame soulmate connection, and they just want to be with you. They cannot any at any level, they cannot afford to lose you at all. And I do see there is a second chance coming up in this particular connection. I do see major transformation happening by the end by the end of July, and by 1st of July, sorry, by the first week of August or mid of August, things will start slowly and gradually progressing towards positivity, and there comes a second chance. By the way, guys, this Lionsgate portal will also play a very important role, because Lionsgate portal is the day before. Right now as well, the you can feel the effects as well. Right now as well, whatever you guys are going to manifest, it is going to be heard triple, 3x, 5x right now, because slowly and gradually, as and when we are reaching towards Lionsgate portal, that is the 8th of August, 8/8 portal, the veil is becoming thin, and spiritual world is getting more connected. So in case if you want to manifest, now is the time when you can manifest. And by the way, guys, if you haven't booked your spell work for the 8/8 portals, wherein I'm offering a 10% off as well, now is the time when you should book the spell work without any delay, because it's a once in a lifetime opportunity, once in a year opportunity, I would say. And do not miss out this opportunity, because you are going to regret. 75 to 85% of my clients have gained so much out of it, have seen drastic results in their person, in their connection, in their love life, drastic changes happening in their love life. So now's the time when you can go ahead and book this particular spell work with me. For people who are going through such difficult phase in their love life, I would suggest 21 days love combo is the best for you. But just in case if you do not have that kind of budget, then you can go for 3 days mini combo. But first preference you should always give to 21 days love combo, because I have received amazing results. Plus the amount of energy invested in 21 days love combo is anytime higher as compared to 3 days, right? One. Secondly, if there is a third party situation in your connection, and go for the third party removal spell. In case if you're looking for communication spell, reconciliation spell, then go for the reconciliation communication spell. If you're looking, if the conversation is there but the passion has been lost, then go for the obsession spell. And all the links are down below in the description box. To book, you can directly reach out to me on my WhatsApp, and I will be happy to assist you in that. So meanwhile, I'm gonna take your leave, and in case if you want to avail 10% off, then message me right now, because I am going to fill all my slots pretty soon, pretty fast. All my slots are booking out, are getting booked out. So do not delay any further. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye.